Hey everyone! These flower paintings with loose style but with lots of details are very easy and fun to do. This is actual time painting for those friends who wants to follow a simple loose flower painting tutorials. So my tip is just play with your brush strokes and colors. And trust me, you will never go wrong with your watercolor painting. Because for me, it is you, yourself, who is the master of your own creation. Even if you are a beginner or just started your painting journey, you can make a simple flower in your own brush strokes and directions. Believe me, you can make it. As you watch how I played with my brush, you can say for a moment that I am very relaxed and in a meditative state of mind. Because for me, in my own experience, my brush strokes and the brush itself have their own lessons to teach. The most important lesson I've learned is the serenity of each moment while I paint and afterward, and becoming one with my brush, and the outcome that I would like to project is a meditative experience that requires me to prepare all the materials I needed and the cultivation of my calm mental focus. Basic leaf paintings is an easy brush strokes that gives you calmness and relaxation as you watch it becomes unfold, as you can see here on my video. I will write down all the materials that I use here on the description down below. I want you to watch how so relaxing just painting a simple leaves and all the colors that I use in here. So for these leaves, I use a different color or different shades, a little darker. In this part, you can follow painting simple leaves. This is the time lapse of my whole painting of the leaves and the materials or the paints that I use here. Now I'm putting some details of the flowers. In doing this, just make a pure or intense color and painted it. Just show the light and the dark side of the petals, which is very important. This is to make your flower looks realistic and in a loose style of painting. So I will show you how I do it with my brush stroke. I use a very tiny brush here to put some details. So I hope you watched the last part wherein I put more details on the flowers, and thank you again so much for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel, and I will see you on your channel. Bye everyone.